Hi guys, today I'm making a test Cybertruck, designing and printing it in OnShape. I am Nehan and I am from the UK, and this is my channel CatPixel. Design and how it looks in OnShape, and this is how it looks when I 3D printed it. This is the side view and this is the top view. This is the rear view and this is the cross view. These are all the parts in my design. Here we have the main body and here we have all the tires. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D printable car which moves. And first I'm going to go into the front sketch view and insert an image. Then I'm going to go into our other documents and click on by me. And then we're going to start with the blueprint of a Cybertruck on its side. So let's just do this. The reason why I picked this specific model is because it is super simple to make. So we'll click the line tool and start carefully tracing this out. Then we go, we're going to get the top part's mostly done. So the bottom part's going to get done. Now, if you can see, I accidentally did the wheels, but we do not want to do the wheels curves. Just click and go straight to the next point. So we don't want to map out the wheels. We want to go over the wheels. We don't need the wheel curves. Here I'm trying to pan the plane back in. If you didn't know, you just hold the middle mouse. Okay. Again, we do not want those little wheel indents. So after we've done this step,